Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix DirectX Unrecoverable Error in Call of Duty. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're experiencing the DirectX Unrecoverable Error while trying to play Call of Duty Warzone on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this issue. The first thing I recommend is updating your graphics driver. To do this, open the search menu on your PC and type Device Manager, then click on the best match to open it. Inside Device Manager, locate and double-click on Display Adapters. Now right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. If you see a manufacturer-specific driver, select that one. If not, you can choose the generic driver instead. Click Next and let Windows install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If updating the graphics driver doesn't fix the problem, the next step is to check for DirectX issues. Open the search menu again and type DXDiag, then click on the DirectX diagnostic tool. If prompted, select Yes and allow it to scan your system. Once the scan is complete, go through the different tabs and look for any driver issues or error messages. If you find any errors, you may need to reinstall or update DirectX from the official Microsoft website. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you fix the DirectX Unrecoverable Error in Warzone. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix DirectX Unrecoverable Error in Call of Duty. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.